Hi, we're Big Wise dietitians, Andrea
and Carrie. When it comes to putting dinner on the table, we have you covered.
Sheet pan meals are nutritious, flavorful, and are a cinch to prepare.
Salmon with fingerling potatoes and asparagus. Place potatoes on baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil and season with salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Roast for 20 minutes. Remove pan and toss potatoes. Add salmon, lemon, and asparagus and season. Return to oven until salmon is cooked through. Squeeze lemon over salmon and enjoy.
Autumn chicken with sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, and apples. Marinate chicken in oil, vinegar, and seasonings. Place sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, apples, and shallot on a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and toss to coat. Top with marinated chicken. Roast until chicken is cooked through and serve.
For these recipes and more,
visit BigY.com.